This is the center console of the 2012 to 2015 Benz G-Class with the NTG4.5 system. Now let's show you how to remove the OEM screen and head unit. Pry open the frame of the control panel. Remove the screws that fix the control panel. Remove the outlet panel. Remove the screws that fix the OEM head unit. Unplug the power cable. If there is an optical fiber cable, it needs to be moved to the new wiring harness. Unplug the original power cable from the head unit. Remove the original optical fiber cable. Connect the male connector of the original power cable to the female connector of the new power cable. Then connect the male connector of the new power cable to the female connector of the original car host power supply. Please find the correct position of the optical fiber cable interface on the new power connector. Finally, plug the optical fiber cable to the new harness. Remove the screws that fix the OEM screen.